About sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot.
Yes, guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv. Hope everybody's doing good. This is the week after Thanksgiving, and I'm here at the Mega Mart supermarket. This is an international market. I'm going in, get me some food to cook. You see me? Anyway, yeah man, Jamaican thing, yardman style cooking. So we'll let you guys know what we get in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen again, guys, and you can see in front of you we have some pumpkin, we have some yam, we have some cocoa. Is what I'm saying, the Jamaican cocoa. Over here we have some red Irish potato, some green banana, we have some corn, we have some I believe this is a smoked turkey, we have some chicken foot. For some of you guys don't know what the chicken foot, this is the chicken foot. Over here we have some pork tail. So a lot of different things. We have turkey, chicken, and pork. So we're gonna do a red pea soup that has about 3 different meats. It's gonna be, like I said before, smoked turkey breast, chicken foot, pigtail, all of that stuff with some red peas. So yeah, it's gonna be nice. So trust me, guys, you're gonna be loving this soup when you see how we unfold it. Jamaican style, 3 in 1, 3 different type of meat, red peas. So guys, guess what? You wanna wash your peas. Make sure you wash your peas nicely. Get them nice and washed. You want to wash them about 2 times. As you can see, we have a good amount of peas in the cover on so the peas can cook. Okay guys, we're going to put some garlics in there. Those are the garlic pegs. Put some more. Okay guys, we put in some salt in here. Here we go. So like a spoonful of salt. Stir it a little bit. And the salt is going to give it some flavor while I cook the peas along with the cloves of garlic. Okay guys, I'm having a little bit of roots for life. You know, you gotta treat yourself right. Some roots for life. And let me get that wine over there, please. Roots for life.
Another roots for life, guys.
And let me get my wine.
Taste it.
Here you go, guys. Some Roscato. Pour it in here.
Nothing is red. I think now we should check on our beans.
Okay guys, so we add some thymes in there, garlics in there, and put some salt. So we're gonna go ahead and make this cook down and get the peas them soft and tenderized, and then we're gonna add some more. We have our pigtail and our smoked turkey, and this we have some vinegar. We're gonna add a little bit of vinegar to the water, and we're gonna wash them off in the vinegar, get them sterilized, and then we're gonna do like about 2-3 washed. Make sure get them washed real nicely. Okay guys, here we have our pigtails. We already washed them nice and clean. So it's now to go ahead and cut them up. Remember, 3 pigtails also mean 3 pigs. Okay. I know a lot of people don't eat pork, but this is a pork soup mixed with some. This thing is tough, man. I'm gonna need a stronger knife to cut through this bone. Yeah, guys. So this is what it is today. I'm gonna need a stronger knife because there's a bone in there that I need to cut through. Okay, guys, my pigtail is cut up. You see my pot over here looking good, and we're gonna go ahead and add the pigtail to the pot. There we go, just like that. Pigtails in. Second thing, we have the smoked turkey. Go ahead and add the smoked turkey at this time. So this is a soup pot, smoked turkey and pigtail. It's gonna be real good.
Hello guys, this is some chicken foot right here, and if you guys never have chicken foot soup before, this is what it is. You wash it, clean it up, wash it off with some vinegar, make it nice and clean, cut it off the tips of the toes, and this is what chicken feet look like. Chicken foot, chicken feet, whatever you call it. Some people even call it steppers, but this is how you do it. You clean it up like that. You cut it in the middle right here, cut off the tips of the toes. Yeah, this is good. Them say this is an aphrodisiac type of thing, you know. So them say this is good for men. Them say men should be having chicken foot. It's a lot of nourishment and potency in the feet. So yeah, we're gonna add it to the soup. So we're gonna take it, let's pour it out in the soup just like that. Smells good. It's a whole pot of delicious goodness. You know, this pot gonna be a whole pot of aphrodisiac goodness for you. It's coronavirus time. It's good to be eating some soup. This thing gonna build your immune system. Okay guys, we're back in the kitchen. I'm gonna show you what the soup look like over here. Oh man, that thing is steaming up. Let's give it a stir. Smells good. Healthy, delicious pot of soup. Peas. Red bean soup. Yeah, we have a lot of things in here, guys. All the goody. Give it a nice stir. So we're putting our first cock soup in the pot just to give it some flavor. We may add another one later when we add the other stuff in the pot, the food and stuff. We still have the red peas cooking with the meat. So it's gonna keep that flavor in the pot. So the cock soup is gonna keep that flavor along the meat so they can absorb the flavor from the cock soup. It's gonna be delicious, guys. Okay guys, here's the soup. We have the corn in there, we have the yellow yam in there, we have all the ingredients, we have some bananas cut up. This is what we got right here. So it's looking good. Our pigtail in there looking good. It's pigtail red pea soup. Looking delicious, smelling good. What do you think about my soup?
It smells great.
Oh, man,
what did you put in there?
Great. I put a lot of stuff in there. Peas in there, red peas in there, the corn in there, yellow yam in there. We have some cocoa in there. We have the pigtail. We have the smoked turkey in there. This is a whole bunch of stuff. It's a pot, flavor pot of goodness. Okay. What are these?
Dumpling.
What do I do with dumplings?
We're gonna put it in the pot.
I'm gonna put it in the pot, okay? These are spinners. Okay? These are spinners, Jamaican spinners for soup. They cook real fast. Give the pot a nice flavor too. Gotta have some spinners in your soup. You ain't gotta have big dumpling, but you need some spinners. I'm going to stir that up for you. You can see what's popping. Alright, let's give it a little stir, not too much. Too much. Let's get my spinners all situated. Guys, we are at the finish line with our red pea soup with pigtail and smoked turkey. At this moment, I want to go ahead and make a plate and show you what the pot look like. Right here, guys. This is a pot of pure goodness right here. Here we got all the deliciousness right here. This is quarantine healthy eating right here. This type of food is what you use to build your immune system. First, I'm going to go ahead and take a corn out. Nice corn right here. Get some soup. Some stuff from the bottom. Here we are. There's some dumplings right here. We have some little spinners. Call them spinners. Some soup. And what else we have? We have some yellow yam down here. This is it. Yam right here. Put some yam in here too. It's a lot of meat right here. Here we have the smoked turkey.
It's looking good now.
You have the smoked turkey, the pigtail, along with the red peas. Pour it in. Put some soup on top. This is it, guys. A plate of awesome goodness.
It's good for your health.
Here's a yellow yam again. Put a piece in here. Guys, here we are with a delicious bowl of soup. Has everything in there, guys. This is Corona. Healthy eating. Quarantine time. Viruses out there. You want to eat something like this? This is what you use to build your immune system in this time, guys, as we go through the pandemic. Proper food prepping, proper dieting, proper meal intake. It's going to build your immune system. It's going to make you stronger. And this right here, exactly what you need in your diet right here. Healthy red pea soup, Jamaican style. Thank you for watching BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Chef Blake is in the kitchen, and like always, you know, something always cooking delicious. Anything you want to say, Alexi?
Like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you let us know what you guys want to see next time.
Thank you guys for watching BlakeWrTv. Peace, love, war, good. Thank you for being here.